In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Temu coins for discounts. If you've been collecting coins on Temu and you're wondering how to actually turn them into savings on your orders, then this guide will walk you through the process in a very simple and beginner-friendly way. Temu coins are part of the platform's reward system, and they can help reduce the total cost of your purchases when used correctly. To begin, open your web browser and head over to the official Temu website. Once the homepage loads, sign into your account using your login details. After you are logged in successfully, you can usually find your coin balance within your account section, rewards page, or promotional area, depending on the current layout of the platform. Temu regularly updates its interface, so the exact placement may vary slightly from time to time. Now, before using your coins, it's important to understand how they are earned. Temu users commonly receive coins through daily check-ins, promotional events, games, referral activities, shopping rewards, and special challenges available inside the platform. Some offers may also provide extra coins during seasonal sales or limited-time campaigns. Once you've collected enough coins, start shopping for the items you want to purchase. Browse through the categories or use the search bar to find products that interest you. When you find an item you want, add it to your cart and continue to the checkout page. During checkout, Temu may automatically display available discounts connected to your coin balance. In some cases, you'll see an option that allows you to redeem or apply coins directly toward your purchase total. Depending on the promotion currently active on your account, the coins can help reduce the product price, unlock coupons, or provide additional savings on eligible items. It's also worth noting that some coin rewards may expire after a certain period, so it's always a good idea to check the expiration date and use them before they disappear. Some users have also mentioned that combining coins with promo codes, sales, and coupons can help maximize discounts even further. After applying your coins and confirming your savings, simply continue with your payment method and place your order as usual. And that's basically how you can use Temu coins to get discounts and save more money while shopping online. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.